Did you know a customer once accidentally got exactly what she demanded by being completely wrong? At Ted's 24-hour tire shop, the crew was jamming to music when she stormed in. "These tires look used. I want my money back right now." Ted, Shorty, Tiki, and Little Ted exchanged glances. The tires were brand new. She demanded managers, threatened bad reviews, called corporate while live streaming her complaints. "Y'all trying to scam me with old tires." The crew stayed patient while she escalated for 30 minutes straight. Then Mike quietly checked something on his phone. "Ma'am, what's the date on your tire?" She read the numbers aloud, still fuming. Mike smiled. "Those tires got recalled last week. You're absolutely right to want replacements." The shop went silent. She blinked twice. "Wait, so I was right?" "Yes, ma'am, completely right. We'll get you new ones for free." Sometimes being wrong for the right reasons gets you exactly what you need.